Views are some kind of attention, some kind of a dopamine engine. Hey, nobody likes failing, and I'm no exception, but my case with YouTube is a little bit different. If the voice is unclear, please tell me in the comment. It's because I am recording with my phone. So if you think it's unclear, really, tell me in the comments so I'll do something about it. First off, this channel is all about tech. Why tech? Because I like it, and it's kind of my field, so I'm not going to be making videos about animals, even though I'd love to. And I want to say thank you to each one of my 17 subscribers. It means a lot to me that you consider this humble channel. For as long as I can remember, I have never thought that I will be uploading videos on YouTube. But here I am. But I was always making videos on the side just for fun, and because I like the process of editing. I'm kind of an introvert, so besides my family and 3 of my friends, I barely have someone to talk to. So being able to talk to people from the whole world through YouTube is such a blessing. And YouTube is a great community, and I like it. So what I wanted to say is that as humans, we cannot deny our constant need for approval and attention. And views are some kind of attention, some kind of a dopamine engine. But not everything that feels important is really important. We seem to care so much about the final results, and we let go the enjoyment that we can get from the journey and from solving little problems. And I'm sure you experienced it many times. As soon as you get to what you always wanted, after a while it's no longer fun, it's no longer amazing as it looked like. It's our brain that drags us back to our normal state, and it's normal. So I'd rather be happy all the time than wait for that perfect moment when I'll get everything I wanted and then be happy. It's stupid, don't you think? That's why I really don't mind failing at anything. Honestly, I don't mind failing at YouTube too. I don't mind having no views at all, so when that one viewer comes and enjoy each one of my videos, it's such a blessing. I consider myself did well. Me having fun and that one viewer getting something out of it, I can't think of something better. So from my grandmother's house, I wish you a great, happy, full of Indifference Day. Stop taking things personally and enjoy where you are. That's what I wanted to say. Thank you.